Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys 6 Series and you need to remove or replace your oil pressure switch, also known as oil pressure sensor, we will show you how to do that today. Many of you asked us where it's located and how to get to it, guys. You left comment under our videos. We read them once in a while and we try to make a video for your specific problem. We'll demonstrate on the 6 Series guys with the N52 engine. If you have N52 engine guys, it has been used in 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, 6, 7 Series guys, also X3, X5, one of the most popular engines you can think of guys, built between year 2005 and year 2015. Now, if you have a different engine, okay, we'll show you how to actually get to the oil pressure sensor, where it's most likely located and how to replace it. Before we start guys, okay, quick introduction. If you need to buy a new sensor, parts, tools, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Another thing now guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 300 free repair videos. Why? This is because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you guys. Specifically, as I said, we have N52 6-cylinder engine, but even if you guys have different engine, procedure will be very similar guys. You will need to locate your oil filter housing. This is where your oil filter is located. Some of you will have a cooler here, some don't. It really depends on the configuration, but we'll guys explain how to get to that sensor. Now, as you can see, you have two sensors here guys. Okay, how you know which one is the oil pressure switch guys? If you have a different engine guys, what you need to do, find your oil filter housing. As you can see, the oil filter housing attaches to the cylinder head. So that sensor practically it's for the coolant temp sensor. The one that is actually just on the housing itself, this is your oil pressure switch. Now, on the 6-cylinder, pretty easy to replace guys. Okay, just pull the engine cover up a little bit, disconnect the sensor. How you do that? Press in here and pull it out guys. Okay, and you can see this is the mechanism here. This is the sensor that controls the oil light on the dash, and it tells it, okay, it's time to turn it on or off. So with all that being said guys, okay, let us explain now, okay, what do we need to do? Grab a 24mm wrench. Now there is a special tool that you can use, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below for oil pressure sensor. Okay, and just go ahead, okay, and get it loose. We have the adjusting wrench here because we couldn't find our tool, and just get it loose guys, going okay this way. So unscrew it. There is one washer that makes sure the new sensor comes with. We'll put the link to the new sensor in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please guys, check it out. We'll put it for 6-cylinder and V8 as well. Now this is the sensor itself, okay. Not very complicated, you can see guys, to get to it, to remove, to replace. This is the washer I was talking about. You can see how it was stuck. Make sure the new sensor comes with new washer. So hopefully guys, video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. All you have to do, grab the new one, get it tight, install it, and you're ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.